Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the MCHOSE G98 wireless mechanical keyboard. This keyboard boasts a 98-key layout, aiming to give you the functionality of a full-size keyboard in a more compact form factor. First impressions are strong. The G98 feels solid, thanks to its well-built construction. The blue colorway is eye-catching without being too loud. MCHOSE offers tri-mode connectivity, meaning you can connect via 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, or a wired USB-C connection. This versatility is a huge plus, allowing you to switch between devices seamlessly. The compact 98-key layout is a smart design choice. It includes all the essential function keys and a number pad, but in a more condensed format. This saves valuable desk space without sacrificing functionality. For those who need a number pad but don't want a massive keyboard, this layout is ideal. Typing experience is where the G98 truly shines. It features a gasket-mounted design with a 5-layer dampening system. This combination results in a very satisfying typing feel. Each keystroke feels cushioned and responsive, and the sound is nicely dampened, avoiding the harsh clack often associated with mechanical keyboards. The pre-installed Hyacinth linear switches are smooth and consistent, making for a comfortable typing experience. One of the standout features of the G98 is its hot swappable switches. This means you can easily replace the switches without any soldering. If you prefer clicky or tactile switches, you can simply pull out the Hyacinth switches and install your preferred ones. This level of customization is fantastic for keyboard enthusiasts. The keycaps are made of double-shot PBT, which is a durable and high-quality material. Double-shot construction ensures that the legends won't fade over time, and the PBT material resists shine, keeping the keycaps looking new for longer. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and customizable. You can adjust the colors and effects to match your setup or personal preferences. The lighting shines through the keycaps clearly, adding to the overall aesthetic appeal. MCHOSE has packed a lot of features into the G98. The tri-mode connectivity, compact layout, gasket-mounted design, hot swappable switches, and PBT keycaps make it a compelling option in the wireless mechanical keyboard market. If you're looking for a versatile, customizable, and comfortable keyboard that saves space without compromising functionality, the MCHOSE G98 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.